Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. It's not the end of the month, it's the beginning of the month by the time you're seeing this. And yes, this is November's monthly knife club. So, as always, we are going to get this open, check out the box. But as I did say on the last couple of ones, I usually go back and I do a whole let's find out, the value of the box. And I think last month's box was maybe within like $6. Yeah, I'm not going to do that anymore. They've pretty much proven that the value of their boxes are there. And yeah, I don't think we need to do that anymore. It's been proven. So let's get this off to the side. And we will get it open, maybe. Oh, that's goodness. All right. Got it open. Now, as always, guys, this is the Ultimate Knife Club name brand knife subscription. There you go. Monthly Knife Club for November. We've got our, there's some interesting stuff in here. Okay. So, first off, as always, the sticker. That's awesome. Freaking rockin' Santa there. Biker Santa kind of going on there. Very cool. Looks like he's pretty popular with the ladies. Right on. As always, they put the monthly sticker in there. They say it has a $4 value, but they include it for free. So, very, very cool. So, as first, we're going to start off with the advanced plan. That is $65 a month. And plus shipping, of course. So, and this month they say it has a value of $104. So, right on. So, first off, we are going to find... there it is. Pretty cool. We have a morale patch. And that looks like an F-bomb. Yep, it most definitely is. This is the bomb morale patch, valued at $5. That's pretty decent for a morale patch. Let's see, is it Velcro? Yeah, well, sorry, hook and loop. It is hook and loop. Very cool. So we have the F-bomb patch to start us off. Next thing we have... Oh my goodness. We have a polishing cloth, cleaning cloth, and is the Riot Dragon polishing cloth, valued at $9.95. It is definitely Riot. There is the dragon. It's kind of a paisley-ish, kind of, sort of, behind it. Cool. All right. So far we've got a cleaning cloth and an F-bomb patch. What do we have next? Next, we have the EDC Tool Co. exclusive titanium Prybar. Oh, dude, it was like glued. Oh, it was. It was glued to the side of the box. There's the glue on it. So, we definitely have, there's a 2 and 3 inch pry. Let me do this. We zoom in just a little bit because, well, there you go. It's giving us a much better look. So, EDC tool. Got the American flag. And we've got the goop on it. We'll have to take that off later. That's not going to come off very easy. Looks like we have a cap lifter. We've got a pocket clip. Looks like we have some wrenches there. Then, of course, your kind of pry nail puller going on there. And it looks like we even have, that's a flat tip. Okay. Looks like a micro flat tip screwdriver going on there. So interesting little pry. We'll put that up there on the cleaning cloth with the F-bomb. Now, they're giving that a value of $30. So it's titanium, anodized titanium. So very cool. Flame anno. So last thing in the advanced plan is the real steel Horus. Now we have seen, oh, there it is. That So, no, was it? No, it wasn't stuck to this originally. But there you go. Let's do the pry tool. Okay, you got a lanyard key loop, micro driver, pocket clip, bottle opener, large nail puller. That's what they're calling that. Jimping for secure grip. hex driver, split pry, flat drivers, okay. 100% designed and manufactured in the U.S. All right, that's cool. And it looks like they have a 2 1/4 inch, a 2.4 inch, or a 2.3 inch. And this one is the 2.3 inch version. So, very cool. All right. Precision machined and hand finished. Okay, cool. A little bit more info on the Prybar. Now we'll get to the horse. Looks like we've got a black and blue E802. We've definitely had the Horus on the channel before, but we will pull it out of here. I like how they always wrap it up in the cleaning cloth just to kind of protect it. It's always a good idea. But this is the real steel Horus. Dual thumb stud opening. Looks like you got blue and black G10, kind of some layered G10. Reversible clip. Very nice. Dual thumb stud opener, as I said. Open construction liner lock. And yes, we have definitely had the Horus on the channel before. It's a good size knife for sure. Let's see. It is coming in. I know that's going to kind of be off screen, but starting at it's about 8.5, maybe just a little bit over 8.5 inches. Cutting edge comes in at right about 3 3/4-ish for a cutting edge on the blade. So, not bad. Now, they say an overall value of $59.60 on this one. So, not too bad overall. It's a decent enough knife. It'll do what you need it to. Let's see. What's the steel on it? I got a 14C28N. Okay. It is 14C. Come on. There you go. 14C28N right there. Cool. Not a bad knife overall. Probably not my favorite real steel knife, but it is a decent knife. So let's see. So now we move to the premium plan. That is your advanced plan. That's what you get for your $65 overall, plus shipping, excuse me. Overall value of just almost $105. So the next one, ooh, we've got a Trivisa knife. Let's see, do we have... no, I'm not sure the name on this one. I've just got a model number. So what's it say here? I guess that is the name. The DOR-04BR. Now, I've seen a few Trivisa knives on the channel. And knives. I said knives. Can't believe I said that. Anyway. Got to get all the packing out. But, let's see here. Slide it out of the box. Yep, apparently it doesn't work if you're behind the camera anyway. Open it up. Whoa. Oh, wow, if that's what we have. That's crazy sticker. That's kind of cool, though. Cool sticker. Cleaning cloth. Product certification. Bag. And the knife. Let's see what we have here. So, says we have the Trivisa DOR-04B Sandvik folder. Looks like we have some blue micarta going on there. Nice looking. Reversible pocket clip. We do have a bit of a back spacer going on there. Looks like that might be some... looks like that's micarta as well. Flipper appears to be a button lock. Let's see. Ooh, that was kind of solid. All right. Nice. Wow. Look at that blade. That Nelly would definitely consider that pokey stabby, I think. 14C20, well, it's upside down there. 14C28N. Oh, I might have to give this one, probably end up giving this one a review. It's kind of, dang. There we go. Got to get behind it. There you go. Get the leverage. If you get out here, still not too bad. Button lock. Tiny bit of button stick. Nothing too major. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe it's working out. Yeah, there's a little bit of stick going on. Nothing too bad, though. That's nice. That's not bad. I do like the micarta. The micarta's got good grip on it. Yeah, decent grip. Fairly comfortable in hand. Let me see. Oh, yeah. All right. So cool. So, all right. The DOR-04. I'm going to have to see if this has got an actual name to it. DOR-404BR. Yeah. Okay. Sandvik folder. They are saying this one has a value of $69.99. That's not bad for that knife. Micarta, you know, if it holds an edge, if it's done right, that's a pretty good price. So that is now what you're seeing is your premium plan. $115 plus shipping, of course, and they're saying it has an overall value of $174. So not bad. Ooh, hoo-hoo. I'm already liking the ultimate plan. Now we're moving to the ultimate plan, and I'll just show you what I just saw. Iona version 2, red linen micarta. Oh, yeah, buddy. I do like the Iona. And they come in a little canvas bag, of course. Oh, I like the looks of that. Wire clip, reversible. Got a string from some. Oh, it must have been off the bag. Yeah, open control. Whoo! Wow, this just might find its way into my collection. Oh, yeah, it comes off the thumb stud pretty nicely. All right, let's see. Disengage. So it's not super droppy. Definitely not droppy. Oh, the Iona is such a comfortable knife in hand because it's got that pistol grip. Oh, my goodness. Yes, yes, yes. Got the jimping. And let's see. It's right out there. I even have a little bit left over. Oh, my goodness. That is nice. Definitely not super droppy. Got good lockup, though. Pretty much full engagement with the lock bar. Might need some juice on it if I want it to drop, but you know what? My thumb thanks me when they don't drop, so sweet. Let me see here. What do we got? No, what's it say here? Does it give me a steel? And I am going to zoom in real quick, guys, because I want to read that. Oh, Magna Cut. Okay, this version 2 in Magna Cut. I wasn't sure what the steel was on it, but yeah, buddy. Yeah, this one just might find its way into my collection. Yeah. You know, a lot of these knives, well, pretty much all of the knives I've gotten in these boxes. This box is not sent to me. I pay for it every month, and most of the time, I mean, not most of the time, part of the time, we get knives that we've already reviewed on the channel, and I'm not going to make you sit through a second review of the same knife, but, so, they're going into my knife sale bag, which I think I might end up doing. This past weekend on SKL, many people said, dude, do the knife sale. So, I mean, the Horus will probably find its way in there. We've reviewed it before. And like I said, don't want to make you sit through another. There, I'm a little bit more centered. Sorry, OCD. But I do think I will keep the Trivisa around for a little while. Use it, do a review on it. And yeah, this Iona version 2, I think is going in my collection. Because, well, I mean, come on now. Why wouldn't it? A very nice knife, Magna Cut. Sure. And no, I'm not keeping it just because it's Magna Cut. I did a video on that a while back, and that really makes, as long as it keeps an edge, I don't care. But enough of that. So, this is your ultimate plan. This is the ultimate name brand knife subscription for the month of November. They are saying I paid $165 plus shipping. It comes out to about $175. And they are giving it a value of $369.54. Now, like I said before, gosh, I'm not sure how many of these I've gotten so far. A decent amount. And, you know, once or twice they were maybe $30, $35 off, you know, but now one might have been a little bit more than that. But I pay $175, and I think I've gotten at least retail, not sale and not MSRP, but normal retail price. I think I've gotten at least, I'm going to say $270 just to be careful, you know. But at least $270 worth of product for my $175. So, you know, most of the time, if they say $320, it's been $310, maybe $305. Okay, the value is still there. So, in my opinion, monthly knife club, it's a lot of fun. Like I always say, these aren't for everyone. Not at all. If you don't like to pick what you get, then these definitely aren't for you. Now, they do have some where they do just knives and stuff. There's always a link down in the description. Take a look at it. They have some fairly inexpensive ones. If you just want to give it a shot and see what it's like, by all means. I get nothing from it. It's just a link to the website. I have fun with it. Maybe you might have fun with it too. Absolutely 100%. So thanks a lot, guys. Greatly, greatly appreciate you sticking around and checking out this month's, November's monthly knife club box. It's already December, so we gotta wait till maybe the end of this month or maybe January to find out what they send us in December. But really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so very much. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.